Hi children, welcome back to our social class. So today we are going to see a new chapter in geography. Okay? And the name of the chapter is Industries. Okay, it is the fifth chapter in your textbook. The name of the chapter is Industries. Okay? So in this chapter you're going to see about some important industries. Okay? So shall we start? In the previous chapter, that is agriculture, we learned three economic activities, isn't it? So what are the three economic activities? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay. So this industries comes under your secondary activity. Okay. So your secondary activity or manufacturing. What is secondary activity or manufacturing? It is the changing of raw material into products of more value to people. Okay, what is it? Changing of materials into products of more value to people. Okay, so when you take your paper, so you can see the bamboo pulp was changed into paper and paper are attached together to make your notebook. Okay, so they represent the two stages of manufacturing process. Is it clear? So your finished product has more value and utility than the raw material that is made from. Okay, so here in the picture you can see the journey of paper, how it is made. Okay, so now we are going to see what is an industry. Okay, so industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of services. I'll repeat it once again, children. What is industry? So industry, this paragraph, did you see? Industry refers to an economic activity. Okay, economic means what? Yes, anything that provides you money. That is concerned with what are the three things happening here? Production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of the services. Okay, so thus, what are the different types of industry? Iron and steel industry. Okay, it comes under production of goods. The next one is coal mining industry, that is extraction of coal, and tourism industry. So tourism is a service provider. Okay, is it clear? Now we are going to see about the classification of industries. Okay, so industries are mainly classified under three main titles. Okay, what are they? The first one is called raw materials, based on raw materials. Second is based on the size, and third based on ownership. Okay, so what are the three classification of industries? On what basis industries are classified, children? Yes, the first one is based on raw material, second is based on size, and third based on ownership. So first division is based on raw material. So raw material is the initial product what you use for processing. Okay, so based on that you have four different types. Okay, what are they? First one is agro based, then mineral based, marine based and forest based. Okay, so what are the four different types under your classification under raw materials? Agro, okay, related to agriculture. Mineral based, your minerals. Marine based, that is your aquatic water. And forest based. Forest is the product what you obtain from forest. Okay, so depending on the type of raw material they use. So we shall see in detail about this. The first one is agro based industry. So agro, what is it? Yes, your agriculture products. Okay, so agro based industries use plant and animal based products as their raw material. Okay, what is it? Plant and animals are used as the raw material. So which are the examples for agro based industry? Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industry. Clear? Second type is mineral based industry. Okay, so they are the primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw material. So mineral based industry use mineral ores as their raw material. So the products of these industries feed other industries. That is iron. It is made from iron ore. Okay. It is a product of your mineral based industry. So these iron ore is used for manufacturing several other products such as your heavy machinery, building material and railway coach. Okay. That is about your mineral based industry. The third one is called marine based industries. Okay. So marine based industries use products obtained from sea and oceans as raw material. Okay. So marine is sea and ocean. So they get the raw materials from sea and ocean. Okay. So what are the examples? The industries that process seafood or manufacturing fish oil are example. Okay. And the last one is called forest based industry. What is it called? Forest based industry. Okay. So forest based industry, what do they utilize? Forest produce. Okay. So they use forest produce as the raw material. Okay. The industries which are associated with forest produce are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture and building. Okay. So these are the 4 types under your raw materials. Is it clear? Now we are going to see about the classification of industries based on the size. What is it? Based on size. Okay. So what is it referring to? It refers to the amount of capital invested. That is how much amount you are giving, the input, how much amount you are putting into an business. Okay. Number of people employed, how many people are employed or how many employers are there, and the volume of production, how much amount of the product is produced. Okay. So based on these, it is classified on size. Okay. So industries are classified into 2 main classifications. Okay. Based on size. They are called small scale and large scale industry. What are they called, children? Small scale and large scale industries. Okay. So first we shall see about the small scale industry. So small scale industry or cottage or household industry. Okay. So you can see some people in villages, they sit together, 2 or 3 families sit together, they make something. Okay. That is called a cottage or household industry. Examples is your puppets. Okay. Or the handicraft materials what they make. Okay. So all these are examples for your small scale industry. Okay. Here the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Okay. Examples are, what are the examples for small scale? Basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts. Okay. So small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. Lesser amount of capital, that is less amount of money and technology when you compare it with large scale. Because large scale industries use large volume of products. Now investment of the capital is higher and technology used is superior when you take large scale industry. Okay. So what are the examples for large scale industry? Silk weaving and food processing. Okay. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small scale industry. Okay. You can see the picture in figure 5.1. Okay. So how they are weaving silk. Now production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large scale industries. Clear? So with this we shall complete our today's class. So in this chapter, what is the name of the chapter? Industries. In this we learned about what is secondary activity or manufacturing. Okay. So industries comes under your secondary activity. And what are the different classification of industry? So 3 types you have: raw materials, based on size and ownership. So based on raw material, how many types again? 4. Agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based. Based on size, you have two: small scale and large scale. Okay. So thank you, children. Read the chapter very carefully. Take care, be safe and be happy.